Dive into the power of Adobe Animate by unlocking its hidden settings and customizing its world just the way you like it. First, let's find the general settings, or what you'll hear referred to as preferences. Start by going to the top menu bar and click on the Edit menu. This is your gateway to controlling the program. Clicking Edit will open a drop-down menu. Scroll down and find the Preferences option. It's typically located near the bottom of the list. Select Preferences to reveal the settings. Once you click Preferences, a new panel will appear, the Preferences window. Within the window, you will find a large array of customization options, categorized into various sections like General, Interface, Text, and much more. This is where the real fun begins. Let's take a peek inside. Clicking on General allows you to change your default settings, like startup behavior and update notifications. Tweak it to match your workflow. There are many options available. Now, look at the Interface section. Within the Interface section, you can alter the appearance of Adobe Animate, change the color schemes, adjust the brightness, and make these changes to create your ideal workspace. But the settings don't stop there. Explore each category to uncover more advanced options that can profoundly affect your animation process. Check out the Text and Advanced tabs, for example. The beauty of Animate is its flexibility. Play around with the settings, restart the program if necessary, and see how your personalized configurations impact your animation workflow. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is your chance to have a customized Adobe Animate experience. By understanding and using these settings, you'll unlock even more control and efficiency in your animation projects. Subscribe and create to your heart's content.